Hello, welcome back. This is Austin, and we are continuing with our DevC training. Today, we are going to be looking at how to use Express. Express is a framework for Node that makes the creation of web servers much easier. You can actually create a server in pure Node, which is actually what we did in the last class. But today, we're going to be using Express, which is another framework that sits on top of Node that makes the creation much more easy, so that we can create our APIs in a very simple and fast manner. So to start immediately, I'm gonna CD into our backend. Make sure you are in backend. All the things we are doing, you can see this is desktop DevC PRG. That is this root folder, but we want to be in the backend folder. So to do that, I'm gonna simply say CD to backend. So as I'm doing this every day, you're supposed to learn the commands. So you can see backend is now written here. That means I'm in backend. So I'm quickly gonna install Express, and to install Express, I'm gonna say npm install. We've used this command so many times. It's telling us Node Package Manager, please help me and install. And while you're installing, please save Express. While you're installing, please save this Express for me. So that is the command, npm install and save Express. So you press the enter key, then you give it a while, then Express will be installed into your system. Express is needed in order for you to create a web server easier. It's a framework that sits on top of Node that enables the creation of web servers very easy. It makes it easy, and also enables you to create your endpoints, your restful endpoints, which we are going to be doing. So I want you to follow up. So you can see our Express is downloading. We're going to give it a while so that it will finish downloading before we can move on. So while we are waiting for it to happen, we are going to create an app known as app.js, which is going to contain our Express app. So we'll create a file inside the backend. We'll call it app.js, and it's going to contain our Express file. So let me quickly do that while this is downloaded. So I'll click on top of here, you see backend, because that's where I want to create the file in. So you can see new file. So I'll click on new file. I'm going to call it app.js. Okay, while I was trying to do that, you can see that this has finished installing and it's back here. So I'm gonna go on and create my app.js.